Good afternoon to all of you. Today we start topic overbooking. When a guest does not turn up on the day of arrival after having a confirmed reservation without any prior information, the situation is known as no-show. In case of no-show, a retention charge is charged to the guest where the guest normally pays 1 day room tariff. A retention bill is raised for the retention charges. This practice is not very common in case of individual guest, yeah, FIT, but is practiced if the reservation is done by a travel agent and also charged to company guest. A lot of revenue is lost because of no show. To compensate for these revenue loss, the hotels overbook. Overbooking is reserving more number of rooms than the total number of rooms available. Overbooking is a confirmed booking or reservation. It is calculated risk that is taken by the hotels to make up for the financial loss due to the no-show. The number of overbooking that can be taken for a particular day is calculated on the basis of past records of no-show. To keep a track of overbooking done, there is a space provided the LSE and DCC at the bottom. The portion of ALSE or DCC has a different color and is called overbooking zone. After all the room in the ALC or DCC are filled, reservations are updated in the overbooking zone. The status of RSB is changed from free, sell or open to an request only after the overbooking is completed. The factors to be considered to decide overbooking percentage. First is past statistics of no-show. Second, time gap between date of booking and date of arrival. The next one is special events in the city. Next is season of the year. Fifth one is profession of the guest. Sixth is source of booking. Seventh is business segment and eighth purpose of visit. Ninth is political situation. 10th is period of business, and last one is experience of front office manager. Thank you to all of you. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.